The GMC Terrain's infotainment system integrates navigation, audio, connectivity, and vehicle controls through a touchscreen interface. Issues like freezing screens, unresponsive touch, or software glitches can sometimes occur in the system. As of 2025, GM has made strides with over-the-air software updates, especially in 2023-2025 models, using Infotainment 3.0 with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. However, older models may still face recurring issues linked to outdated firmware. There are three main types of resets: a reboot for temporary fixes, a factory reset to restore defaults, and touchscreen calibration for sensitivity issues. These resets are designed to address software and minor hardware issues without interfering with critical vehicle functions like braking. Always perform resets while parked. To perform a soft reset, hold the power or volume button for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes blank. Then power it back on. This clears minor glitches without losing data. For a factory reset on newer models, navigate to Settings, then Apps and Vehicle, and select Factory Data Reset. This erases all user data, so remember to repair your devices afterward. For older models, use OBD2 tools to perform the factory reset. Again, you'll need to repair all your devices after the reset is complete. For touchscreen issues, navigate to Settings, then Display, and select Touchscreen Calibration. Follow the on-screen prompts to realign the sensitivity. If problems continue after these resets, particularly with older models, consult a dealership to avoid voiding your warranty.